How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a very nice 68 Camaro SS 350. Gorgeous car. Had a complete restoration a few years back, done in its factory butternut yellow, black stripes. Super nice car. They did add the steel cowl hood. You see the bumpers, the bumper guards, chin spoiler, everything's excellent condition. Car's real straight, flat, slick down the sides. I tell you, the paint on this car is just show quality. Super nice. It's got the factory rally wheels and BFGs. Rear deck spoiler. See the taillight housings, they've all been replaced. Rear bumper, it's got the accessory bumper guards. Very nice car, guys. All this trim on the car, everything's very nice. The motor was all redone. They added vintage air and heat to it. It's got your power disc brakes, it's got your power steering. The detail work under the hood and everything's very nice. This is a car you could just go for a cruise, go to your shows and just enjoy it. Very nicely done. It's got the deluxe Houndstooth interior. The 3-spoke sport wheel and everything. Headliner is excellent shape, nice and tight. Most of the interior, I believe, is the original, and it's excellent shape. Very nice. I really like the Houndstooth interior in the 68 cars. It looks very nice, not overpowering. Trunk's all real nice on it. Tell you, the door panels, there's no cracks or anything in the door panels. They're very nice. Got a little magazine article that's been done on the car also. Again, it's the original 350 4-barrel. It's got 350 turbo trans, 12-bolt rear. Very nice. Fires right up. All the side marker lights work like they should. It's just a good looking car in this color. It's all stock exhaust, type exhaust on the car, really. Backup lights, they all work. So if we got a blinker bulb out there, we'll get that taken care of. It's just a real nice, clean, solid car. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.